Hey guys, welcome back. Let's try to solve some problem, especially math problem in Python. So let's start. In this problem, we will ask the user to enter a number with dots of decimal places. Then we will multiply this number by 2 and display the number. So let's start. I'll take a number from the user. Okay. We will convert it to float to convert this number to decimal. Okay, so we will display it, rent this number multiplied by 2. Okay, it's run. Okay, enter a number with lots of decimal places. We will enter 5.216. Okay, we'll display this result. Run it again. Say 5. It will convert it to decimal. Okay, this is the first challenge. Second, we will update this program so that it will display the answer to decimal place. And thus we will use method called round. Okay, so let's comment this. Maybe we will take this and put this in variable answer. We will print this answer. We need to display the answer instead of decimal place. So we will use round method for answer and 2. We will put 2 to round it to 2. Okay, we will put this. Now it's 2. Again, let's run this. Okay, it will be 0. Run it again. Okay. Because it's not decimal. Center decimal. Okay, well, round it to. Okay, last challenge in this video. We'll display by to 5 decimal place. Okay, here we need math module, so we will import it, math. We will print math dot boy. Okay, we need to round it also to 5 decimal. Okay, let's comment this. Okay, now it's rounded to 5. Let's comment this also. Okay, there is. Okay, I need to comment this also. Let's run it again. Okay, now it's rounded to 5 plus 3 plus this for 4, 12, round this to 4. Okay, I will continue on using the math challenge using Python in the next video. See you there. Thank you.